Hey everybody, welcome back to Texas Off-Road. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I'm out here trying to beat the heat. It has been so hot, it's been crazy, but I've had some things going on that I've been trying to fight through along with the heat that have kept me from being as consistent as I wanted to be, both riding and filming. And I'm hoping to get through those things and get back to the consistency that I want. So for today, I got up and I thought, hey, I got this great idea. I was gonna film a video on another one of my favorite bikes that I haven't actually had a chance to get on the channel yet. And I go out to get everything ready and it's got a flat tire. So that video will be at a later time. So today I got the 250 XCF, just gonna do a little ride on it. I've been having so much fun with it. If you haven't seen the other videos on the 250 XCF, check those out. You know, I've got like a ride before I did the Vortex when it was all stock, and then a ride with the Vortex. I've been loving the Vortex. Gives it a little more power, a little more throttle response, and then of course it's got the FMF stainless steel mega bomb header, factory 4.1 slip-on. Okay, here we go. We're on the bike now, ready to go. Kind of got a little warm up in. Gonna make a lap on a smaller section of the loop here. See how the bike feels today. I will say I haven't ridden in the last couple weeks, so I'm a little rusty, but we'll get there. All right, here we go. I can just put it third. And it'll just lug through a lot of this. It's still got enough power right there at the top. Kind of rev third out a little more. Oh, it's so fun. Really dry and slick. Need some rain. And with the Vortex, it's made this bike a lot easier to ride, especially like in this kind of stuff. See if I can lug third through this. Technical more crossing right here. Probably downshift for this because it's little hill climb, second gear. Kind of being overly cautious as I haven't quite found my groove just yet. But I'll get there. This section of the loop's just so fun. A little more technical. downhill right here. Good burst of speed. A little yump. I've just found that it feels like third is so much more usable since I put the Vortex on. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Downshift to second for this hill. Back into the trees. Hold third in that corner and into this one. That's a rough straightaway. Here we go, back into the trees. I feel like the Vortex 2 took away a lot of the engine braking. Surprisingly, I always felt like this 250F's engine braking was harsher than the engine braking on the 350s. For me. Back stretch. Fifth gear. It's still planted. So much fun. I love this bike. It's hard to beat a 250F. Light, free feeling, especially with a little bit of mods. Wake it up just a little bit. So much fun. Alright, so that was a quick little lap on one of my favorite sections of the loop. That area is a little more technical, and it's a good way to test a bike and have some fun. Great lines. I'm loving the 250. It's just, I haven't been riding consistently and getting back on it after I haven't ridden it in a while. It kind of surprises me. There were a few times it felt like I was fighting it a little bit, you know, but it's still so easy to ride, and with the Vortex it just runs so much better. So super fun bike. I can't wait to get back into the groove and get some consistency and keep riding, keep making videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.